if this is you while you are trying to do your wing line, or you can relate to any of these cases, then this video is for you. Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve a perfect wing line, and I have the perfect tool for that. If you are a beginner and you are struggling with getting your wing line done, now I can show you probably the best eyeliner that I have tried so far. This is by Wet n Wild, the Mega Last Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It comes with a slim brush tip applicator that makes it easy to use, and it glides on like a dream. This is the normal speed of the video. I did not fast forward it, and look how easy I got my wings on. And it stays put all day. It doesn't smudge, and it's so easy to remove it with a cleansing balm. But the best part is that it's also very affordable. So, if you are on the market for a good and affordable liquid eyeliner, and you are also a wing liner beginner or neither one of these, but you love getting a good affordable product, I hope this video has reached you. This new Wet n Wild eyeliner is the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, unboxings and tutorials. Bye guys!